What's up guys, Prayag here from the Ordinary Life, back to you with another video. And today I'll be reviewing the Sennheiser HD4.40BT. Let's get started. I'm gonna start off with the sound quality, and I'm not gonna lie, I am pretty much in love with how the music sounds on the headphones. In terms of sound quality, I did not expect such great sound quality on a 6000 rupees headphones, and I'm pretty astonished with how it sounds. So Sennheiser claims to have about 25 hours of battery life, but to be honest, it does not last for so long. I mean, maximum I get up to 20 hours, but that's that. Don't expect a full day battery life. I mean, no one's gonna hear to music for a full day, but the battery life for me lasted about 20 hours, not 25 hours as Sennheiser claims. And 20 hours is also not bad for headphones priced at 6000 rupees. Now jumping on to the design of the headphones. So the design of the headphone is actually over the ear, and I'm a pretty big fan of over the ear designed headphones. And personally, I love how comfortable the Sennheisers are, and even sometimes I forget I'm wearing those because the Sennheiser 4.4 is pretty lightweight. You can also fold the headphones and put it in a carry pouch that they give. It's not a hard case. I would have loved a hard case for the headphones, but for carrying the headphones around, you get a carry pouch. And mind well, the carry pouch does not save it from any damages. Okay, so yeah, I pretty much like the design. I have no complaints to it. Only one thing that I would have liked, that the feel of the volume and track control, two different buttons, should have been different. Okay, so we are living in the year of 2019, and there is no technology out there which does not have its bad points. So obviously the Sennheiser 4.4 has some bad things, and the first thing that I don't like is that whenever I change the volume, it has this noise, beep noise, that indicates that the volume is increasing or decreasing, and that actually interrupts the music, and I really hate it when that happens. And it's not only from the headphones. Even if you turn the volume up from your phone or your laptop, you hear the beep on the headphones. That just frustrates me because that interferes with my music or whatever I'm doing with the headphones, and that is just so frustrating for me. So the other thing that I don't like about the headphones is the positioning of the buttons. The buttons are actually not as they should have been, and they could have actually added few more buttons or changed the functionality of the buttons. You cannot access Siri from the headphones or Google Assistant. And also the fact that the volume button and the track change button are so similar, even if they function differently, they are so similar that sometimes I accidentally change the track instead of turning up the volume. Okay, so what is my verdict? Do I recommend you to buy the Sennheiser 4.4BT or not? So depending on who you are, you might have different preference. I personally like the over-ear design of the headphones, and they feel so comfortable. And the sound quality of a 6000 rupees headphones is pretty amazing and impressive, but some people may not prefer it because of the price. So if you're looking for something cheaper than this, then these are definitely not the way to go, because you get almost the same level of functionality on lower end headphones. and it also does not have a noise cancelling feature, so that's one thing to note. But if you're looking for headphones over 6,000 and you want to save money, then you should definitely go for the Sennheiser HD4.40BT because you will be saving a lot of money and you will not be losing the sound quality. So if you're not looking for a very high-end headphone, then you should definitely go for the HD4.40BT. Okay, so that's it for the review, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like the video if you liked it. Definitely hit that bell icon to not miss out on another video. And as always, stay tuned for more.